Newcomb's paradox, explained by cats. Kitty is invited to play a game with Birdie, who can almost perfectly predict Kitty's behavior. And Birdie has always been right in the past. Birdie shows Kitty 2 boxes. The first box is transparent, and Kitty can see 1 fish inside. This is box A. The second box isn't see-through. This is box B. Birdie explains that there is either 0 fish or 100 fish in box B. Kitty is allowed to pick both boxes, or only box B. While filling the boxes early today, Birdie made a prediction on what Kitty's choice would be. If Birdie has predicted that Kitty will pick only box B, then Birdie has placed 100 fish in box B. If Birdie has predicted Kitty will pick both boxes, then there are 0 fish in box B. Fish is Kitty's favorite food, so Kitty wants as many fish as possible. What is Kitty's best choice? Remember, Birdie can predict Kitty's choice with near certainty, but can Kitty change Kitty's original thinking? For clarity, we'll say Birdie made the prediction in the morning, while Kitty chooses a box in the afternoon. There are 2 outcomes when Birdie made the prediction. Birdie either predicted Kitty had 2 box thinking or 1 box thinking. It might seem obvious to pick both for a chance at 101 fish. Let's say in the morning during Birdie's prediction, Kitty had 2 box thinking. Now, if Kitty picks both boxes, Kitty will only get 1 fish because box B will have 0. If Kitty had 1 box thinking in the morning and picks only box B in the afternoon, Kitty will receive 100 fish. So box B is the safest choice, assuming that Birdie is 100% correct. As established earlier, Birdie has never guessed wrong in the past, but that was this morning. Now that Kitty knows the rules of the game, can Kitty change Kitty's answer? Could Birdie predict this change? If Kitty had 2 box thinking this morning and chooses only box B this afternoon, Kitty will receive 0 fish. And if Kitty had 1 box thinking this morning and chooses both boxes, Kitty will receive 101 fish. But how do we know we originally started with 1 box thinking? How do we know we weren't always going to pick 2 boxes? Maybe Birdie predicted the change. Is it possible to work around the prediction? If there's no way to act beyond what has already been foretold, does Kitty even have free will? If you were Kitty, what would you decide?